What's going on YouTube? Welcome back to my channel. So this morning aku akan join Conti Club Malaysia. Diorang ada buat drive this morning and I'm running late. Aku akan vlog once aku dah sampai sana, right? Ciao. So alright guys, just arrived. We have a 3 series, 5 series, Beemers, Sirocco with the same squad. Hari ni kita plan untuk pergi ke sungai Pelak. I don't know how to pronounce though guys. Jangan batch but that's the name if I'm not mistaken. But yes sir. So now kita santai dulu tengah tunggu ramai orang lagi to join. So this is the lineup so far. 5 series, 3 series. Yeah. Loud though. That's loud man. Okay guys, we are ready to go. And yeah. Okay guys, ni passenger aku hari ni. Okay guys, ada VTEC kat sini. And for those yang tanya apa nak join, I'm not the organizer. Maybe next time aku akan buat ride lah for you all kita buat together lah. But this group, I'm not the organizer, so I don't have the power lah, I mean to invite everyone So yes sir, let's go. Let's go. Let's go.
Let's go.
Five minutes later.
Alright guys, kita makan. Bob?
Yeah bro.
Okay all good.
Enjoy.
All good. Ui, the famous.
Yeah.
Enjoy. Nice. Alright guys, kita stop sekejap kat sini. Quick photo shoot before we balik. Look at that guys. What a perfect blue. Got yellow color 4 series, another grey. A lot of Beemers here. Stunning color. Orange color. Arrow. Clean RS5 guys. Wow. Bro, can you rev a bit? Sure. Can That's loud guys. Solid. Okay guys, kita sambung our activity cuci-cuci mata bersama Datuk Fahmi. Right, we got Mustang. Of course looking good. Looking good. Galado guys. Damn. Galado F430. Damn boy. Okay guys, next we are at Supercars, tempat yang aku beli kereta F10. Look at that though guys. What a car. Lain macam AMG GT guys. Fire. Dengan JCW. Wow. Tengok interior. Ori check. JCW, yes. We got C43. Damn. Ni not for sale lah. Ni agent punya. Kita beli guys. So if let's say korang nak cari kereta, come to Supercars, okay? Alright guys, that's it for today's video. Hopefully you guys enjoy it. Me, thank you me, jadi passenger aku hari ni. No problem bro. No problem Nice. So guys, don't forget to subscribe, like, comment and share the video to everyone, okay? Peace. Assalamualaikum. Ciao.